This week is a short DIY project that I took some candle holders and took the angle grinder and cut off the holders for the candle. Touched it up with some paint and used it for wall decorations, as you'll see. And I wanted to go and show you the things we got at a flea market and resale shops this week. We've been shopping. Flea market is about 3 hours from our house. Spent the day there, had a great time, my husband and I. But I want to go over some of the great buys I found. These are high-end rubber boots. What are the names of them? They're wellies, Jules wellies. I got 2 pair for $5. I come home and looked them up online and they go for $55 to $82. I think this pattern is discontinued because I couldn't find them. The reason I bought 2 of them was I'm planning on using 1 pair for one of my DIY videos, but I thought that was a great buy. They had 3 pair. They were size 4 in kids. I wear 3.5 in kids, but if you wear 2 pairs of socks, they work out okay. I bought this skein of yarn for $1. This whole bag of D-rings and clasps for purses. I think each one of these packages is $1, $1.50. I got the whole bag for $1. That's the way to shop. Pliers. Never have too many pairs of pliers because you set them down and you can't find them. $1. Those of you that like crafting, knitting needles, I got each one of those for $1. I think they run about $3 in the store. It's been a while since I bought brand new ones. Today we went to Salvation Army today. 29 cents for these. I love these kinds of things because I like when I cook, I make for several days and portion them out. That's just my husband and I now, and that saves a lot of time. I know, I said this is buying no more ribbon. 29 cents. It's got a really cute pattern on it. These little rollers I love using for painting. They were 49 cents. They are $2 at Big Lots. I'm trying to remember where I was buying them. The mirror, 49 cents. I've become the master of spray paint. I love spray painting because it's fast, turns out fantastic, and you can make it go with any decor. These little slide measure things that you use for sewing, I'm always losing mine. This one was 29 cents. And this little cooling rack was for 49 cents. Then yesterday, I took a whole bunch of stuff to the auction and stopped by their crossing, which is several hours, or it's an hour from my house. I bought several skeins of yarn for 50 cents each. And these run like $3. I know many times I've shown you that I use things for candles, for different things. This is going to be another one of those things. This one doesn't have the price on it. $3 for it, and I was looking at it and she said she'd take $1. So I know I got it here on the grass. I got 2 of them. And I'm going to modify these. This is an angle grinder, if I get in the picture. A cut-off, not angle grinder, but a cut-off wheel. Be sure and wear gloves and eye protection. Okay, I got the pieces that hold the candle ground off. I'm just going to touch it up with some black spray paint where I've kind of nicked it with the cut-off wheel. Next week I have another DIY project that I'm looking forward to showing you. Come back.